Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to download Canva designs. Now downloading designs is pretty easy. First of all, once you are done editing, then select the share option from top right hand corner. Then we need to select download. Now we need to choose the file type. Select it according to your choice. For example, if you have created any complex image, then PNG is the best format. But if you have created pages, then PDF is the one I recommend you. So I'll just select PDF standard. Now depending on your file type, you will be given additional options such as you can checkmark compress PDF in order to reduce file size. You can also flatten the PDF to get better size. Similarly, multiple options will be given according to your file type. After that, you can also select pages and then hit download, and the design will be downloaded in your computer. Now as you can see, the file has been downloaded in my device. I can just open it and see the PDF here. Hope this helps. If it did, please like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.